Welcome to part 2 of my Newhomy unbagging project. So I have a big one here, as you can tell. I got a couple little ones, and then I have this guy here. I want to show you this one first because this is pretty awesome. Okay, we've all gotten a little notebook. Well, maybe not everybody, but a lot of us have gotten a little notebook, right? And we've done a little notebook. This is not a little notebook. This is cool. This is a big notebook. This is like a spiral notebook, like, you know, you would use in school. Yeah, I mean, look it's a, 8.5 by 11 size is what it is. Isn't it cool? Oh my goodness. It says Merry Christmas on the back. That's just printed on the back. And the front is where you drill. Look, is that sticky? No, that's not sticky. So it's just going to be the snowman and everything else is printed. But look at this thing. Look at it. I mean, you can say what day it is. You can check the weather. You can put a date. It's all lined just like a notebook would be. That is awesome. That is cool. I love it. Like he's got 2 big gems on his belly. That's cool. I love that. Spiral bound, so it lays flat. I love this. There's a lot of different styles. If you don't like the snowman, go check it out. They have other pictures. All right, he's cool. I love him. Had to get one. Had to try it. Had to. Oh, I love it. My mind's going now. What can I use this for? So it's special drills. Special drills. Yeah. Like I said, they had different styles. If this isn't your style, but you know me, I love snowmen. You'll be starting to see more snowmen on my channel because it's getting to that time of the year. So look, we have yellow AB pearls, white drills, and then these are white AB faceted. So these are smooth yellow, faceted white. A red, an amber, coppery color, pink, a few greens, green, green, and green. A regular blue drill. Okay, this is mixed. Blue drill, regular drill, rhinestones. We got all kinds of stuff. Okay, cool. Love it. Oh, yes, my favorite, the slivers. Little blue slivers. Love those. 1 star. I have 1 star. Where's the star go? That should be easy. Oh, on the top of the tree, of course. There's his buttons, big orange buttons. And then some little smooth red ones. I love this, you guys. I love this. Just love it. I'm going to use this for something. Yeah. I don't know what yet. Something. Love the size of that. And that it's spiral bound. So your pages flip. Yeah. Awesome. Awesome. All right. Here's another little flat one. Special drills, my guess. All right. Do this sticky glue here. Come on. I'm assuming this is all just numbered. Yeah, everything's just numbered. So your bags have a number. The symbols are all numbers. No legend. You don't need it. Right? You don't need it. All right. Yep, special drill. This canvas is really kind of soft and pliable. Guys, this plastic. Okay. Did this on my last unboxing with the owls. The plastic on is so tight that, okay, hang on. But this canvas is super soft. It really is, like really pliable, soft. But the plastic isn't letting anything lay flat. It's all like air bubbled under the plastic, under the little creases. I can't even show it to you until I do this. Sorry. This one's very, I would call simple, but it should be very beautiful. It only has 8 different gems, but look at it. Look how pretty it is. Look how pretty that is. It's just this pretty butterfly and these swirly things, right? It's gorgeous. It's so pretty. I know, see, it does not want to lay flat. The air bubbles underneath are so crazy. But okay, come on. Maybe that's a little better. A little better. But it should be really, really pretty, right? Really pretty. So just all the background is just colored And we'll drill the butterfly. You do all the little swag things. So let's see what we have. I'm interested to see the colors. Ooh, that one's pretty. Yeah, that's pretty. We're going to like that. These are individually bagged. All right. Here's what I was liking. This beautiful orange AB. That's gorgeous. That's going to probably outline most of that butterfly. No, I'm wrong. It doesn't. Oh, it's in the swirls down here. Huh. It's got to be someplace else too, but I don't know. I don't see it right now. A purple, a gold, yellow. That's really yellow. Yellow rhinestone. A clear rhinestone. We have the little star guy. He's going to probably go on all the little dots. Then we have a white AB. Okay, white AB is going to outline. Yeah. A pink and some blue. This is a smooth pink. That's really pretty. There's your colors. Orange and pink, yellow. Orange, pink, yellow. There you go. Exactly what it looked like. Okay, cool. Love it. Cute. All right. Okay, let's just change it up. Let's just change it up. Let's go big while we got room on the counter. Go big while we have the space. Because we know this one's going to be large. I can already tell. I'm thinking in my head, which one did I ask for? Which one did I ask for? I don't remember. Oh, wow, yes. Okay, you guys will laugh. You'll totally laugh. You'll be like, there goes Mindy again. There goes Mindy again. This is a 45 by 85. I'm rolling it backwards first. Yes. Oh. I'm going to get a comment. I already know I'm going to get a comment. I want a toolkit. I guess I got two. Yep, hang on. Try not to knock anything over here. Kits. Two toolkits. And look, they come with my favorite four-placer. That's unique. Yes, I love that. Here is our big bag of drills. Big, huge bag of drills. Okay? You ready now that we're all situated here? Okay. Here we go. I love this. Here is our drill field. Man, everything is so clear. So super clear. Really clear. Love that. Look at this is a little confetti over here in this background, but it's all clear. I can read all of it. Look at the greens. Look at the path. You ready? It's a path. Let's unroll our path. We're going up to where? Where are we going to? Oh, I love this, you guys. Look at, yes. Okay, let's give it a little tug, a little stretch. I love it. I love it. Let me scooch it way out for you so you can see. All right, how can we get this the best? Hang on. It's just not wanting to show you everything. Hang on. Here we go. There it is. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Lots of green, but we're going to have some colored in the flowers here. Nice blue sky, beautiful lighthouse off in the back. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love these trees. Look at, this is one of those trees. It's like growing off the side of a cliff. Trees amaze me that they can do that. I mean, the roots are over here and the tree's just hanging that way. And it's just hanging out there, just surviving, having its best life over there. Isn't it beautiful though? Oh man, I really didn't know it was this big. I really didn't. It's got DMC codes down here on the legend. See? It's got 28 colors, DMC codes. There's a legend there. There's a legend up top. Okay, so it says it's supposed to be 45 centimeters wide. Let's see what it is for width, and then we'll kind of have a good idea. I'm not going to try to measure the length, but we have got 39. So take off 6, right? Take off 6. So that would make the other end 85, take away 6 would be 79. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. There are a ton of drills here, you guys, and I don't think I'm going to open them all because there are a bunch. Heavy bags, probably multiple packets of each one. Greens, browns. Look at the pinks. Okay, we got some pinks here. And blues. That's our colors. All right. Yeah, I'm not going to take all of those out. There's a ton. Isn't that pretty though? Oh my gosh, I saw that and I just fell in love with that. I mean, you knew I would, right? You knew I would fall in love with that. Okay. I love this path. Just right up to the house. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna like roll this up a little bit loosely. It's poured glue. I can do this and just kind of move it over here. Sorry about the mishap. That one caused us a mishap. Hopefully I can edit that out. Maybe you won't even know it was so bad. Oh, this guy's hanging out. Like, he's hanging out the bag already. He's taped right there, though. So he's sticking out of the bag, but they taped him up. Okay, gotcha. Oh, man. I can't get it, though. There we go. Okay, now, can I get the inner bag out here? No, because it's still taped over here. All right, one way or another. There, we got it. Woo, we got it. Okay, now we got to get out of another bag. Out of one bag, out of another bag. Okay. Again, the poured glue. You guys, these canvases are really nice. I'm pleased with everything so far. They're really, really nice. Okay. Here's our drills. Another toolkit. Here's our drills. Ooh, very fall colors, right? Oranges, browns, tans, yellows. Yeah. Very fall colors. Rusts. All right, so it's fall picture, right? Sure is. All right. Here's our legend. Look, DMC codes again. Hey, we're batting 1,000. We're doing good. Here's our drill field. Look at the R's and the U's. Look at everything is clear. There's some B's in there, which I'm not crazy when they do R and B, but they're different colors. Can you see? Right here, R and B, they're different colors. You're just gonna have to be a little careful with those. I wish they wouldn't put R and B together like that, but they did. But they're different. I think you can tell them apart. Legend on the bottom, legend on the top. Look at that. Pretty, right? Pretty? Okay, I'm gonna zoom you in now. Because now we're like, yeah. After our mishap, we're a little cock-a-doodled. There it is. A wooden bucket. A wooden bucket filled with beautiful fall flowers. We have some gourds right here. I have one of those on my front porch right now. Just like that. Little pumpkin and some birds. Cute, 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 right? Cute. Okay. Yeah, we measured that other one. We know that this is probably going to be, it says 30 by 40. So it's probably going to be like 24 is my guess. Let's see. 25. So probably 25 by 35. All right. But how pretty, right? How pretty. Look at that. Who doesn't love a beautiful sunflower bouquet? The birds love it. The birds definitely love it. We've got a thumbnail up here. Here's the thumbnail. See how cute? I think they are chickadees. That's my guess. They're chickadees. All right. Not going to open these drills. We'll open the last one. But these are just very fall colors. Everything that you saw, yellows, golds, oranges, burgundies, browns. That's what you get. Cute. We'll open these drills. We'll save the last one to open drills. Yeah, it would take forever to show all of these drills, you know? We'll show these. All right. Again, this one is like a softer, ooh, what a coincidence. I pulled this one out. This will remind you of something, but don't fret. It's not. Okay, here's our colors. Yeah, we'll look at those. Those are different. I checked this one. I did a reverse image search on this one. And okay, this is just a stock image apparently from somewhere. It is not an artist's painting. It reminds us of one with the book path going up into the woods, but it is not. It's not the one you're thinking of. So it's not that artist's work. Anyhow, it's a lot different too because it's brighter. This is really bright, but yeah, I just liked it. I've always liked the other one by Jeremiah Morelli, but that one is a little dark. This one is very bright, very, very bright, right? Yeah, so I saw that and I was like, I checked it to make sure it was okay. There's a lantern over here, see the lantern? And then it's going off into a bright background back there. So I love it. It's pretty. Cool. All right. The drills on this are very interesting. There's colors in here that, well, I guess I can see them. When I first saw these, I was like, where is that color? But they're in there. Like this. Okay. I didn't really see that color in that picture, but apparently, maybe up here in the book, there's some of that color. Uh-oh, what do we got going on here? We got number 18. Ooh. 18. Oh, there we go. We're all right. We have a empty bag cut off, but we have a whole bag of 18 right there. So we're good. Brown and purple. Okay, cool. Oh, these are separate. White and lime green. There are DMC codes on the canvas, both sides, top and bottom. We're doing good with the DMC codes. If you like your DMC codes. Pink, purple, yellow, gray, browns, green. This is a gray, green, gray, green, gray, army gray, army green. Something like that. There's a squish. Burgundies, blue, and brown. Very pretty. There are little pieces of drills all over the place. I think it's that green. Somehow, I don't know. Maybe when the green one got mangled here. I don't know. Hopefully they're not coming out of here. I don't think they are. I think they might have been in the little bag, the little piece of bag. I got like 4 little drills, that color. Anyhow, it's okay. All right, so that is number 2. Very different things, but I have 2 paths. I have a big lighthouse path and then the book path and pretty stuff. So there's round 2. You guys can go check them out. Yep, go check them out and see if there's something there that you like. They have a lot of fall things if you like fall. And stuff comes pretty quickly. It's very reasonable. So, yeah, go see what you find, what you like. Thanks for watching again. And I'm going to head off because I have one more part to record. Of course, I'm doing them boom, boom, boom. You won't see them boom, 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 but I'm recording them that way. So, thanks, Newhomy. Thanks again. All right, I'll talk to you guys in the next one.